Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing great during these times of COVID-19 pandemic. Notability added a silver lining to 2020 by introducing its new updates today. Now most of the updates are self-explanatory. For example, this new floating toolbar which floats around and carries your favorite pens and highlighters. But what demands a bit of explanation is the ability to make these arrowheads. Honestly speaking, it took me hours to figure that out. So here I'll be sharing that method which I figured out, and I hope you find it helpful. And in case if any one of you has a better method, then you can put it in the comments below. Now here's the trick. Start off by making a straight line, end it by making a triangle at one of its end, keep the stylus pressed down, and there you have it, an arrow. Kindly try to make big triangles, because if you make small triangles, then you'll end up getting a straight line like this. Now here's the way how the pros make it. You don't have to make the entire triangle. You can also make a one-sided triangle and it works equally well. Just remember not to lift the stylus before you actually get the arrow. This one-sided triangle method sort of works out better when you're trying to create like smaller arrows like this. Now it's time to get creative. Instead of making a straight line, you could also start off with a curved line and end it with a triangle, and voila, you get a curved arrow. You can make them in any direction you want. They can also be made using the highlighter tool. And lastly, by tweaking a bit of their properties, you could even get dotted arrows. Thank you.